Siyempre, pulutan is also part of yung experience, di ba, pag nagiinuman tayo. Ano ba yung mga kasama sa menu niyo?
Well, kamukha ng ibang bar, meron dito po mga konting pika-pika, pero meron kami dito mga duck. Actually, yun yung pinaka main namin. Adobo, nihaw, duck, tapos papaitan, meron din kami, sashimi. Actually, maraming iba-ibang klase. Yung 8 owners, may kanya-kanya kaming isang tawag dito?
Parang specialty or
na pinangalan.
Okay yun bar owner. Tapos napansin ko rin dun sa menu kanina, parang meron din kayong mga games, merong video games pag Saturday or something. Could you explain lang yung mechanics?
Actually, bino-workout pa namin yung system, pero hopefully by next week makakapag-start na kami sa mga players na gusto pumunta dito. Welcome kayo. Provide namin lahat ng system para makapaglaro kayo.
Okay, thank you very much, Idil. And good luck sa Taberna 8.
Yes, thank you very much.
Hey, ano masasabi niyo po sa Taberna 8? Wala.
Speechless kami. Gwapo yung bartender.
Oh!
Gwapo yung mga
Gwapo. Nasaan? Wala akong makita.
You can plug in your own music. So, but normally naman, they request them. You request your own songs. You request your songs sa DJ or ano. Here, you can bring in your personal music player. Plug it in.
So, Brian, pagkakaintindi ko, parang ang bilis lang ito, di ba? Bilis lang pangyayari. Gaano katagal from conception to actual na soft launch nung bar?
Less than a month.
Oo.
So, our first meeting was January 1. Second week. Tapos ngayon, today is February 7. Okay. So, yun. Luckily, nagkaroon ng open place here in Maginhawa sa Sikatuna. Which is also an area na marami rin na places like Taberna. So, yun. We decided to put up one here. Para, yun, natural din naman yung fit niya.
If I may add. Pare, actually, nagsimula yan sa amin ni there's this one bar na frequented by our group. Nagsara siya. So sabi namin, kaya na nagsara yung bar. So may suspend ko muna Magtayo na lang tayo ng bar natin. Actually, yun yung pinaka And after that, after a week or less than a week, nagkaroon na ng meeting. Siguro ilang nights meetings yun. Mabot siguro ng mga the whole conception of the bar took us about 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks. After that,
So, ano yung masasabi niyo na parang pinakakaiba dito sa bar na to? Meron kayong mga ibang like for one, sabi niyo nga, di ba? Parang may you could, pag yung mga customers, kung may iPod sila, pwede sila magpatutunan sa ng mga music, di ba? Parang ano pa yung mga ibang mga gimmicks na naisip niyo para dito sa Taberna 8?
Every Thursday, we have a contest called All Spice Town. You just have to consume our special na concoction na actually it's basically crackers with an awesome chili topping that you have to finish. So who can consume the most gets to win a bucket of beer. Then every Saturday, then we also have a video gaming night. So yun, anyone there who's interested in playing, basically put your money where your mouth is. Laro ka dito. If you beat the other players, you get to win a prize. Also there's the Ocho Bucket. Then also every Friday we have the Grandma Challenge. So we have a very special grandma slammer. Who can consume the most wins the 8 bucket. So if you have friends, di ba? Total kung, let's say may konting yabang ka na rin in drinking, might as well put your money na rin sa ano. Parang ipapaya mo na yung strength mo sa pag-inom and win a bucket for your friends. Then also every Monday we have yung ano namin, New Wave nights. So if you have if you're a lover of New Wave music, enjoy ka dito.
Okay.
Like right now.
Yeah, alright. Exactly. Okay. Thank you very much, Brian, and congratulations sa Taberna 8.
Okay, thank you very much, Joey.
Okay, salamat.
Okay, bye-bye.